All right, quiz 1.03 is all about similar triangles. So when we have similar triangles, remember our angles are congruent and our sides are proportional. So they have given us these values, and so we are looking for x. So we can set up a ratio. So this side of the triangle is to this side of the triangle. So 12 over 4 is equal to this side, 15 over x, what we're looking for. So cross multiply. 12 times x is 12x. 4 times 15 is 60. Divide by 12, and x is equal to 5. You can also do these using scale factors. If we take 12 divided by 4, we can see that we can use 3 as a scale factor. If we divide 15 by 3, that gives us 5 as well. The next one, they want the value of x. This time they've put it in an equation here. So still you're going to set it up the same way. So 36 is to 12 as 39 is to x minus 10. Cross multiply. So 36 times x minus 10, make sure to distribute the 36. 36 times x is 36x. 36 times negative 10 is minus 360. And that equals 12 times 39, which gives us 468. Add 360 to both sides, so you get 36x is equal to 828. Divide by 36, and our x value is 23. The next one, we have similar triangles again, and so we want to find the value of ED this time. So we're looking for this segment here. So we know that this side, AB, is to CD, so 9 over 6 is equal to this side of the triangle, 2x plus 4 and x plus 4. Cross multiply. Remember to distribute. 6 times 2x is 12x, 6 times 4 is 24. 9 times x is 9x, 9 times 4 is 36. And then you're going to just solve for x. Combine your like terms. We're going to move 9x on this side. We're going to subtract 24 to get it on this side. So 3x is equal to 12. Divide by 3, and x is equal to 4. And so in this particular one, they didn't ask for x. Here they asked for segment ED. So ED is x plus 4, so we have to add, plug in our 4 here. So 4 plus 4 gives us 8. This one says Hunter designs 2 flags for his adventure club. What is the length of the base of the larger flag? So they've set it up for us. You can see we do have similar triangles. And so because they've marked these angles congruent and these angles, so angle, angle, similarity postulate tells us we have similar triangles. So we can say that 4 is to 5 as 5 is to x. Cross multiply. 4x is equal to 5 times 5. 4x is equal to 25. Divide both sides by 4, and we see x is 6.25. Make sure you look how they want you to display your answer. It says as a decimal, so it doesn't say to round, so you're going to put 6.25 there. Now this one, they tell you you've got a man throwing a basketball, and they've set up a picture for you. So we do have similar triangles. They've marked them as congruent and right angles. So we're basically looking for this side of the triangle. So we can say 30 is to x as 45 is to 40. Cross multiply. 45x is equal to 30 times 40. Divide both sides by 45, and we get 26.67. There again, they say enter it as a decimal and round to the hundredths. Remember, hundredths is 2 decimal places. Hope this helps.